Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to adjust a door sweep on an exterior door to keep the weather out. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. All right, so here's a set of double doors, and I got some air squeaking in here. You can see the daylight. And this is a stationary door, so this bottom sweep is adjustable from the outside, so I'm going to go out there. All right, so here's my exterior doors. You can see this sweep has screws along the side here that allows you to loosen them and adjust this up or down. On the swinging door, looks like it's already been done because you can see there's a pretty good height difference between the top of this one and the top of that one by, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. In weather strip years, that's a lot. So this one has been loosened and adjusted down on top of the threshold. So that's what we're going to do with this one to try to fix that gap. And yeah, okay, so you can see under here there's a gap there. So that's what we're going to fix. So I think what I'm going to do, since this side of the sweep there was no gap, there was no air breach, it was just right here. I'm going to loosen 1 to probably 3 screws, enough to make this go down, but that screw right there, I want to kind of leave that alone. I'm going to just loosen enough so that it will pivot, and what I'm going to end up doing is exposing the paint, the old color paint, when I drop this down a little bit, so I may have to do a little touch-up paint when I'm done with this. I don't want to remove these screws. That one was in kind of tight. I just want to give it enough place that I can move the sweep down a little bit. And the last screw over here, I'm just going to goose out just a little bit. Okay, so with it fairly free, there we go. I really want to avoid moving this door if at all possible. I'd like to just push this down, because the holes behind these screws are oval shaped, which allow you to move it up or down. So I just want to move it downwards, like so. Okay, so you can see there's a slight paint difference there. I'm going to tighten this back in. I'm going to do this all the way down. We'll see how it works. All right, well, let's see how it looks from outside. I don't see any gaps along anywhere. I'll go on the inside now, and I'm sure it's going to be better. Okay, so that is completely closed up. The weather strip is sitting right on top of the threshold now, and so that is much better. You know, as I looked at the other door underneath it on the other sweep, it's all chewed up from the door swinging open and closed. And so at some point in the near future, I need to replace that sweep, which is easy. That'll be a video for the future. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.